Sometimes you have situations in estates where two people are supposed to manage the estate together, co-executors or co-administrators. I've talked before about how to handle that situation correctly. But what happens when you have one of the co-executors that doesn't really want to do it right? They want to do their own thing, regardless of what the other co-executor thinks. What is that other co-executor to do? How are they supposed to uphold the duties they have under the law? That's what we're going to talk about today. My name is Eric Broll. I'm the founder and CEO of Georgia Probate Law Group. We're a law firm and we focus exclusively on helping families with situations after a loved one has passed away. Sometimes those situations involve disputes in estates, and other times they involve helping the family settle the estate correctly where everyone is on the same page. Let's get into our question for today. Let's say we have a situation where we have two co-executors or co-administrators. One of those co-executors or administrators isn't doing things the right way. They're supposed to sign checks together. They're supposed to take actions together jointly as a group. But we have one of them that has just gone off and maybe they're trying to write checks on their own. Maybe they've opened an estate bank account on their own without the other co-executor's participation. Maybe they are taking advantage of estate assets on their own. And our second co-executor or co-administrator is saying, wait a minute, I don't think we should do it that way. I think that there's a different way to do this, a better way to do this. I think what you're doing may be incorrect. But our bad acting co-executor doesn't want to listen and they keep doing things their own way. What is a co-executor to do that wants to do this correctly? Well, first, they need to communicate. They need to clearly communicate to the bad acting co-executor or co-administrator that they believe that their actions are not in the best interest of the estate and that they don't approve their actions. Okay, but let's say that doesn't work, because if that worked, we wouldn't be where we are. The next thing that they need to do is they need to think very seriously about how to protect themselves in this situation. The reason why is because if we have co-executors and one of them's acting badly and the other one is not, believe it or not, should those bad actions of the one co-executor cause some harm to an heir, to a beneficiary, to a third party, both of them can be liable for those actions. Even the co-executor that is acting good, that's saying, no, don't do this. So how do we protect that co-executor from that type of liability, that type of harm? This is one of the few times in the law where someone may actually have a duty to take legal action or a duty to sue the other co-executor, to take the bad acting co-executor to court, to go in front of the probate court judge and formally file a legal objection to that co-executor's actions. Because if our good co-executor does that, then they can get some coverage. Now, they can't wait a long time to do it, right? We can't wait until all of this has come to fruition and the liability is clear. We've got to do it earlier on in the process to make sure that we protect our good co-executors' rights and protect their name and protect them from liability. This is often not the answer that our clients want to hear when they come to us and they say, in this situation, I've got someone that's just, they're really acting poorly as a co-executor and we're not getting along. Unfortunately, though, this is the legal reality of the situation. We often have to advise them to take some type of action to protect themselves. These situations are complicated. There's no way around it. There is no silver bullet. There is no 100% right answer. It's going to depend on the particular facts of your situation. If you're in a situation like this, I strongly recommend that you reach out to a qualified attorney to help you. Our office would be more than happy to talk with you and have a consultation. Please give us a call. Thank you.